The second Purple Fair 2025, held at the U Soso Tham Auditorium in Shillong on Wednesday, reaffirmed Meghalaya's commitment to building an inclusive and empowering environment for persons with disabilities, also known as Divyangjans. Organized by the Composite Regional Center for Skill Development, Rehabilitation and Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Shillong, in collaboration with the Office of the State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, the event drew nearly 600 plus participants, including 325 PwDs, their families, caregivers, NGOs, and officials. Delivering the welcome address, Dr. Ram Shakal Shahani underscored the importance of inclusive platforms in raising awareness, showcasing talents, and supporting the rights of PwDs. Social Welfare Minister Pauline Daw graced the occasion as the chief guest, stressed the government's commitment to ensuring equal opportunities, expanding vocational training, improving infrastructure accessibility, and extending financial assistance for PwDs.
The state government is fully committed to the welfare, the well-being, the growth of persons with disabilities. Our commitment to sustain an ecosystem that treats you as special members of the community, treats you with empathy, love, and care. There was a favorite song, Christian hymn, which Gandhi loved, and it started by saying, "Lead kindly light amidst the encircling gloom. Lead thou me on." And I think that spirit has continued to ignite the path of each of us who are here working entirely for the welfare of the differently able. It puzzles me to think that some of the most celebrated names in the history of mankind have been persons born with different kinds of disabilities. The world will not forget Beethoven, born with severe disabilities, whose music still lives even after several centuries. The world will not forget Stevie Wonder, who created masterpieces in music despite turning blind at the age of 2. We have proposed and will soon allot 10 acres of land at New Shillong for a permanent building of the CRC. Out of this, 2 acres has been earmarked for the Office of the Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities for better and closer collaboration with the CRC. The Disabled Stadium has taken a definite shape. It's a 200 plus crore project, and we look forward to seeing that persons with various disabilities will also be able to make use of this sports stadium meant specially for them, and especially in view of the national games scheduled to be held in Meghalaya in 2027.
Director of Social Welfare, Camellia Doreen Lingwa, and Commissioner for PwDs, L. Kinjing, highlighted recent initiatives designed to promote dignity and self-reliance among the disability community. The fair featured awareness sessions, product exhibitions, demonstrations of assistive devices, vocational products, handicrafts, and cultural performances, besides inclusive sports events that celebrated the creativity and resilience of the PwDs. A notable highlight was the participation of Purple Fair Ambassador Priska Pangrop, whose advocacy for disability rights resonated strongly with the audience. The event also acknowledged the contributions of organizers, including Pranami Barua, the Assistant Professor, Clinical Psychology, and Rajesh Chetri, the Assistant Administration, for their role in ensuring its smooth execution. The second Purple Fair concluded on a note of inspiration, reaffirming Meghalaya's resolve to foster inclusivity, dignity, and equality through sustained collaboration between government and civil society.